New color, Pearl Pink Hair Dryer. Check out its shine, it's like a pearl, showcasing different textures of pink under various lighting and angles, perfect for personal use or as a gift. This set includes 2 different attachments for straightening and curling hair, as well as a comb for massaging the scalp and adding volume. Easily assemble them and adjust the angle. Turn it on, and the LED screen clearly displays the wind speed, with 3 colors indicating the temperature. It's so versatile for use anywhere.